Guys, I'm Holly with BeretDesign.com, and I am here to show you a cool little upcycled sewing hack that I just did actually yesterday. And what it is a magnetic pin holder or pin cushion per se that can be used for sewing pins or bobby pins. If you're a sewer like I am or a quilter, I use a gazillion and one pins, and I hate to interrupt the flow of my sewing by having to manually take pins out of fabric and stick them down into a traditional pin cushion. So I created a upcycled magnetic version. Now they do have magnetic versions that you can purchase in stores, but they're usually pretty cheap, ugly little plastic things, and I decided to create a pretty one out of this vintage bowl that I picked up. It's a very small bowl that I picked up at a thrift store for actually only 99 cents, and it's really old and really cute, and it looks way better than the ugly plastic things. And plus it's upcycled and helps to reduce waste. So what I did is I just magnetized the back, added magnets to the back and bumpers so that it wouldn't slide around as much on my table. This table is not very slick, but my sewing table is, and it helps to keep it from sliding around. If you're not a sewer, you can also use this trick to help keep bobby pins under control on your dressing table or dresser or vanity or wherever you keep them. I'm about to write up the tutorial now. It's super quick, super easy. It took me less than 5 minutes to make it, and it's a great little project that'll really help make a difference because you can just drop these and just keep on going on your sewing machine. So be sure to check out my blog. That's BeretDesign.com, BOREI Design DESIGN.com, and I will put that URL in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Happy crafting and happy sewing, guys.